Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. Just wanted to show you the grapes, how the grapes are coming out. Hopefully that focuses. It's the grapevine. Come out. Look at those grapes. As you come over here, see some more grapes. And let's take a walk over here to this side. You see some more grapes. Grapes coming out. Grapes coming out on the grapevine. And I have another grapevine over here. And the grapes are coming out. Going right up that trellis, you see some small grapes right there. And going around and you see some small grapes right there. Yeah, so put these grapes in the ground. And the grapes are just going to town. So I'm excited to see how far they go. We had some grapes last year. And look like we'll have just as many this year, or not even more. Yeah, so just bringing you that little information. Hopefully you're enjoying your day. Gave my loquat tree a hard cut because you know I like everything up in the air. And while I'm at it, let me just show you this Oro Negro. At that Oro Negro right there. And she got a cut. And I went ahead and painted her, you know, with that the white paint, food painting, just to protect the trunk from sunburn because it's still green. But look at her. She's just exploding all over. So yeah, I'm not really worrying about whether she's going to fruit or not. I expected when I got my trees to focus more on growth for the first 3 years, and after that let them do more of what they're going to do. But I just wanted to mostly focus on growth for 3 years to make sure I had, you know, some very powerful trunks, because we get a lot of wind back here in my backyard when hurricane season comes. Even when it's not hurricanes, when it starts raining a lot, we wind up with a lot of wind back here, and we had to do a lot of staking of the trees. So since the trees been getting stronger, I have been able to unstake a lot of them. And yeah, so we're focusing on, you know, strong trunks and branches. And then after that, we'll start getting the nice fruits, because they'll be nice and strong and they won't be snapping and breaking all over the place. So yeah, just bringing you that little info. Look at that bee right there doing what it needs to do. Yeah, so yeah, just bringing that little info, and hopefully you're having a blessed day. Goodbye.